Now let's look at the purpose of writing. This is probably one of the most important things when writing an email. You must make it clear why you are writing, and you do this at the beginning of the email, not in the middle, not at the end. You can also use the subject line in the email to make your purpose clear. We normally use this structure when opening up the email to talk about purpose. Let's look at the examples we have here. So you can start off with I am writing to. You can also say I am emailing to. Either is okay. After to, we use the infinitive verb. Okay, no ing. So the examples we have here, I am writing to ask for further details about something. I am writing to inform you that my new address is. I am writing to complain about your customer service. I am writing to say thank you for all your hard work. And I am writing to apply for the job as junior assistant. So you can see here several different contexts, but they all follow the same structure for purpose.